Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Annalisa, and I'm the agent's manager here at Guy Jones Medicare Insurance Advisors. I'm thrilled you've taken the time out of your busy schedules to join us today, and we're always looking for ways to equip you with the best resources to excel, and that's exactly what this webinar is all about. So, today we will introduce you to some powerful tools that are designed to streamline your workflows, enhance how you connect with your clients, and help you achieve even greater success in your Medicare sales. Okay, so we do have here the marketing brochures, the landing pages, of course, the CRM, the SMS communication via MailChimp, and the Calendly. And this is how we set up the appointments. Okay, so let's dig into it. So we do have the search and save, and this is the CRM. Let's take a look at what this CRM can do for you. We'll be focusing on two powerful features. Firstly, the way it organizes and manages all your vital client data, making it easily accessible and up to date. Secondly, we'll explore how it streamlines the process of comparing various plans, saving you time and reducing complexity. Think of Search and Save as your central hub for everything client related, so you can easily store and access all your client information, contact details, health history, plan preferences, all in one secure place. So, of course, it's not just about storage. So, this tool allows you to quickly and easily search through available Medicare plans based on your client's specific needs and preferences. So, let me show you a sample here. Now, let's take a look at a sample client here. As you can see on the screen, I have their information readily available. The drug information, preferred pharmacy, and the primary care doctor. Right. Now watch as I click on the plans available, the MAPD and PDP plans. Instantly, the CRM sorts out all the relevant Medicare plans that you can offer this client. Right. So this is taking into account their specific information, which is their drugs information, the pharmacies, and the provider. As you can see here, you know that these doctors, the doctor, Dr. Nelson, is in network with all these plans that you can offer to your client. What's really helpful is that it provides you with key estimated cost information right up front. The drug cost, the drug deductible, the maximum out of pocket, medical deductible, and premium. All this information is readily available up front. Okay, and then you can then easily compare these plans side by side. You see, highlighting the key benefits and differences for your client. Well, we just wanted to give you a clear picture of how Search and Save can ultimately streamline your coding process, but we're not going to do a deep dive into all the functionalities for now. But this will ensure you you're presenting the most suitable options for your clients. As we have said, the CRM makes your quoting process efficient. The next one is going to be the brochures. So you can enhance your outreach with professional marketing brochures with what we have here. Of course, for lead generations brochures, you can attract new leads and expand your client base by distributing these at community events, senior centers, or partnerships. And you also have leave behind material. They serve as a tangible takeaway for prospects after a meeting, reinforcing your message and providing them with something to review at their own pace. And of course, satisfied clients can easily share your brochures with, friends and family who may also need Medicare guidance, for referrals. Of course, call to action because effective brochures include clear calls to action, such as contacting you for consultation or visiting your website, encouraging prospects to take the next step. Okay, so let me show you some of our brochures. This is Guy Jones branding brochures. Okay, and the next one is, Bruce Wayne Davis C-SNP brochures. And we also have D-SNP brochures. And we do have pharmacy brochures as well, for pharmacists and for the customers. Okay. So you can use these brochures for mail outs, hand them out during in-person meetings, display them at community events, or even use them as leave behind materials. They provide a tangible takeaway for potential clients, and of course, therefore, you'll elevate your image and have a powerful tool to support your lead generation and client conversations. Right? Okay, now let's talk about the SMS. We have MailChimp integration for powerful SMS messaging, allowing you to send timely client updates and reminders. And as you've seen through the SMS correspondence we've sent out to our clients with Guy Jones, of course, keeping you all in the loop. This is a direct and effective way to reach them with important information. Okay. Now let's talk about the landing page. This is a powerful tool that not only enhances your professional image but also streamlines the customer journey. So this is one of the landing pages dedicated to the Aetna and University of Washington negotiations built in MailChimp. So take a look at this. Hi, I want to walk you through the client's journey step by step from receiving the SMS to accessing the transition of care form information. Okay, so we've segmented our audience and we specifically targeted our Aetna clients with this communication. So this ensures that the message is relevant and reaches the right people who may be impacted by these negotiations. So our Aetna clients received an SMS update directing them to a dedicated landing page, for the full details. Now let's see what happens, when they click the link. So by the way, this is the SMS that they received. So once they click the link, okay, so they will be directed to this dedicated landing page. So at the top, they find the agent's information and a brief video providing a personal touch and explaining the situation and potential impact.
Good morning. This is Guy Jones, your Medicare broker.
Beneath the video is the important information they need to understand the situation and potential next steps regarding their healthcare access. Okay. Now, at the bottom of the page, we have the call to action. If a client is concerned and wishes to receive the transition of care form and related instructions, they simply need to fill out this form. Okay, so I'm just gonna put, just trying here. So let me just hit submit and see what happens. Once they submit the information, their information, they will automatically receive the link for the transition of care. Okay, so once they click this link, they will now see this, ready, to print, right? Or they can even fill this out. Also receive an email, as you can see here, that a new subscriber has joined the list. Yeah, I was actually tagged as well as Aetna UW landing page subscriber. So that's really how it works. All you need to have is the MailChimp to communicate with your clients. Okay, so we're done with the landing page. Now let's take a look at how we set up appointments, right? So we want to share you as well the tool we use for scheduling appointments. So we experience the back and forth of trying to find a convenient time to meet with clients, and it's time consuming, right? So we use Calendly instead. So instead of manually proposing times, you can create your availability. Your clients see your real-time availability and can select a time slot that works best for them directly from your link. This tool puts you in control of your schedule. So again, we are using Calendly to schedule or set up appointments with your clients. So I guess that's all I need to share on my end. So thank you so much for your time, and we're confident that these tools can be valuable assets to your Medicare sales effort. Thank you again.